Simona Vantova'yı Nielsen'i ikinci yarı final serisinde
Katlin Salamete
aynı anda izleyeceğiz.
12 Dezember
Sırt üstünde
ja. Nu 70 Puus.
And there is 10 places for the final tomorrow night in women's 100 backstroke. First semi-final heat in the pool and a good start for lane number 4, Darina Sevina from Ukraine. First 50 meters in 28.11, 3/10 behind Elena Gemo from Italy, followed by Maike de Maat from the Netherlands in lane 0.
Kulturet over here. Niin, ja nyt tämä kasvaa.
Yeah, and Darina Sevina from Ukraine is the fastest swimmer in this first heat to 57.35 seconds.
20 omistus
Elena
parantaa.
Gemo following second,
Rekordit
58.60, and third place goes to Darina.